kala fadhiga 78aad ee qaramada midoobay ayaa Soomaaliya loogu doortay xubinimo aan joogto ahayn ee Golaha Amaanka ee qaramada midoobay. Waa markii labaad oo muddo 52 sano ah ay Soomaaliya kursigan hesho. Waxay arrintan daliil ay u tahay soo kabashada Soomaaliya ay ka soo kabatay burburkii dawladnimada iyo waliba iyadoo Soomaaliya si weyn horumar uga samaysay dhinaca diblomaasiyadda, ammaanka iyo siyaasadda. Soomaaliya ayaa ahayd musharaxa kaliya ee ka socday bariga Afrika, waxaana si buuxa u taageeray Midowga Afrika ka hor doorashada. Soomaaliya ayaa soo ceshatay mansabkeeda iyo saameynta ay ku lahayd fagaarayaasha caalamka. Madasha Golaha Amaanka oo ah halka lagu jaangooyo arrimaha muhiimka ee caalamka sida amniga, xasiloonida iyo siyaasadda ayaa Soomaaliya ay hadda goobjoog ka tahay oo ay fadhida. Soomaaliya ayaa qayb ku yeelan doonta go'aanada waaweyn ee adduunka saameynta ku yeelan doona iyadoo oo jihayn doonta siyaasadda iyo arrimaha caalamka. Qodobkan wixii ka soo kordha fadlan kala soco baraha bulshada ee aanu ku leenahay Facebook iyo YouTube-ka ee Rasmi Radio.
Ladies and gentlemen and dear friends, congratulations citizens of Somalia. Today marks an important milestone in the history of our great nation. We have been elected with an overwhelming majority by the members of the General Assembly. I extend my profound gratitude to each and every country who has voted for Somalia. We appreciate the trust they have placed on Somalia to be the elected member of the UN Security Council for the term 2025-2026. I take this opportunity to thank President Hassan Sheikh Mohamud and Prime Minister Hamza Abdi Barre for their leadership and vision in attaining this important seat. I also thank the civil servants who tirelessly worked on this campaign in New York and Addis Ababa in their unwavering dedication in the last 6 years of the campaign. Somalia last served 53 years ago in 1971-72 and has achieved many significant milestones, including the organization of the first UN Security Council meeting in Africa at OAU HQ in Addis Ababa to discuss decolonization of Africa. We recognize the imperative need for comprehensive and inclusive reform of the Security Council to better reflect the contemporary geopolitical realities. Somalia will actively engage in efforts to improve geographical representation by increasing the membership in both permanent and elected ones, especially for Africa. As a priority for Somalia, it is crucial to acknowledge the perspectives and contributions of women and youth in peace and security efforts. In that context, Somalia will enhance the empowerment of women and youth to participate in decision-making process and the promoting of their inclusion in peace-building activities. We remain committed to multilateralism and respect of the principle of international law enshrined in the UN Charter. We strive to strengthen the cooperation between the Security Council and the regional organizations, including the African Union. Somalia recognizes the crucial role of effective multilateralism and cooperation in addressing the complex issues of our world today. We are fully prepared to bring our distinct perspectives, experiences, and solutions to the global arena, making a meaningful contribution to efforts of the United Nations Security Council in the maintenance of international peace and security. In a polarized world, we will serve as a voice for all member states, a champion for conflict resolution through dialogue and diplomacy, and a steadfast supporter of justice and equality. Only by working together we can effect a positive change, uphold the UN Charter, and strive to establish peace for a better future and a better planet. Somalia is ready to serve again and appreciate all the invaluable support of all member states.